All right, we budgets fam. I am back. I'm having a full blown marathon this weekend, knocking these videos out. I have not stuffed my 100 envelope challenge in a while, so I'm happy to get back on this. Got some extra cash. I did make some change out of my extra envelope, and it was set aside for this very moment. So we're not going to waste no time. I did not go back in here, so I just opened up this wheel. We'll see if it's how accurate it is. If we come across any duplicates, we'll either just use them or pull another number. We'll see how it goes. But with no further delay, let's spin the wheel. Hope everyone is well. Hang with this weather. First number is 85, and I didn't pull any hundreds. I thought we were done. I see we do got some 90s in here, but that's all right. 85 is the number that we're starting with, and 50, 70, 80, and 5. Grabbing an envelope, and it is a regular envelope, so that's done. Anybody that's working on their 100 envelope challenge, and I saw that there's a bunch of people that have started them. Congratulations on deciding to start. How's it going? How you feeling about it so far? Mine is moving really quickly, and I'm pretty certain I'll finish this month, which is going to actually surprise me because I didn't originally anticipate finishing it so quickly. But that's where we are. We'll see how it goes. Spinning again, and next number 85 is out. Next number for is 26. Taking 26 off. 26 is 30. Starting with 30. Pulling an envelope. And it's a regular envelope. So 30 it is. Looking for some twist in here. See what comes up. It's been fun. It's been putting this challenge together. I haven't ever just saved money so quickly. So this 100 envelope challenge is pretty amazing. And not even that it was a race or needed to be so quick. A lot of my just expediting these challenges have been the fact that I'm working towards my build a house fund. So that's really where all my extra money is going into this fund. So that's why I have the extra to put in here. 44 is next. And 44 is off. 44 goes up to 45. 45, grabbing an envelope. And it's a standard envelope. So 45 it is. I'm not sure how many music notes are left in there. I had a comment, and I forget who now. You can re-comment so we know it was you. But said that the little symbol, that one is called a flag. So the flag on the note. I think I called it a tail, but it actually came in today. So that's called a flag. Keep them spinning. That wheel, and that's the ones that's supposed to be left. That wheel is getting pretty light, and the card is getting pretty full. We're getting there. One number at a time. 38, and 38 is still here. 9 is gone. 38, and 38 is 40. You know what? I was supposed to be pulling 8 numbers. I said, how many have I pulled? I'd say this. Let's say this is the third one. It might be the fourth. We're gonna try the third. This is 3. We're gonna pull 5 more, and then we'll see how many lines. That's another regular envelope. I'm trying to just leave some so we can the money just go up, and then I can stuff some more later in the month. It's something to do. 38 is done, and we did take it off. Little gaps here and there, here and there, here and there. This is number 4, and it's 20. 20 stays the same. 20. And what does the envelope say? We got a symbol. We got our first symbol of the day. And that one says to pick another number. So right now we are at 20. We are going to remove that, another number, and see what we get. So originally we would pick another number and then go from there. Pick another number The next number is 30. 30 is not 40, 30 is 35. 35. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that extra 35 into here. And just a way to kind of bump up that initial savings is, what is it, $5,050, I believe. So that's one way to save a little extra. And I'm going to put that in here. So I'll bump that up, and I'm also going to pull another envelope. And I want to take 30 off of here. Down and down. 30 is 35. Just like that, we saved an extra, basically extra $35. I'm not sure what day this video will go out. I hope whenever it does and it finds you all doing well. Today is Saturday for me. It's actually starting to cool down some now, so I'm just chilling, feeling pretty good. I did work earlier today. 56 is next. It's another one down. 56 is 60. 60 to start. And we grab an envelope. And this is another one. I've lost count on how many we have filled, but at this point, we just want to keep rolling. For right now, looks like we got these cash left. And I didn't actually count it. I just pulled some out of the extra. And the extra is just money that I had put aside at, when I got ready to do my budgeting. Money that I set aside for this. I actually have some more money in that vision binder. I'll pull that out later. No, that's for pick and pull. Mixing it up. Don't take pick and pull money. This is, what is this? 100 envelope 2.0. That's what it is. What's on this there. We are getting there. Look at that. 18. And 18 is gone already. But because there's some extra ones in here, I'm going to get a regular envelope out of here. And I'm going to put extra 20 in there. I believe when I started off with like 15 extra envelopes. So this is one of them. And because that 18 came up again, and just making sure 18, yeah, 18 is gone. Excuse me. And what about 19? Is 19 still? Yeah, 19 is still there. We're keeping it spinning. Keep on spinning. Keep on spinning. 58. 58. Nope. Nope. 67. 67 is gone. 67. 67 is $70. And if it's your first time checking this out, go check out the other. There is a playlist with just pick and pull. But instead of doing 67, I'm bumping everything up 5. So gotta bump up 5 actually, and then we have to see what the envelope says. Standard envelope, no additional. Perfect, perfect. Haven't decided on anything for dinner. I guess I'll pull the house. See what everything that I have today. Actually need to make a run later on. So I might make that meal run as well. I'll remove and spend. Been doing really well keeping my budget tight. But we do have some fun money. We got some fun money, some money to kind of spend on the side if need be. 90, and that's going to take a. 90 is a 90 is 95, but because I have that down, I'm going to give it 100. And 90 is actually gone already. 90 is gone. I could do what I'm going to do before I just added it in there. What I want to do is fill 2 of these extra envelopes. I'm going to put 15 each one. So yeah, we doing some crazy stuff in there. Y'all be looking at me sometime whenever I be doing, but I'm doing some saving. was brought to my attention that what I should have done as far as this challenge, and for those of you that watched my first video of this, of my 100 envelope, I asked you to give me a, actually about to die, to give me a date of when you think I'd finish this box. So now, as you see, and I was actually surprised because there were a lot of people that gave really early dates, which are coming up. But what I should have done, and which would have helped too, and which I'm going to do now, is open it up for you to put down in the comments below how much you think I'll save in this box. If you watched along, you watched the videos, um, God forbid you went back and tried to calculate it. But just guess. So with all the extras, all the like that 100 I just added, but we do have the 15 envelopes, so there would have been something in those envelopes anyway. But just with all those just added savings opportunities, plus the 5,050 that the 100 would do by itself, how much do you think I'll save? We'll do another nice prize for that one too. But just put down in the comments how much you think at the end of this, once we pull all this money out and count it up, how much do you think I will have had saved? 90 is gone already. Keeping it spinning. I'm not sure when it came off. I missed it or what. 88 is here, and 88 is 90, 50, 70. Yes, it would be some cash here. I don't think it's not enough. Well, I don't think it's enough to finish. Because I didn't count it, but let's see what we do. 88, and then grab another envelope, see what it says. That's a regular envelope. I feel like I really hadn't done this challenge in a while. So I'm looking at my little envelopes, and I'm like, okay, I like the envelopes. They didn't all feel that good, but I like them. Besides, they also had to cut them down a lot. But like I said, they work for me. And this box is filling up, but we're getting there. We're gonna stuff this bad boy. Keeping it going. 88 is awesome here. We're getting there. We're getting there. Got so few numbers left, and it's a small one. 32, and 32 is off of here already too. I'm not sure what I'm encountering right now, but I'm gonna put 35 into one of the extra envelopes. If we get towards the end and actually run out of envelopes, which I shouldn't because like I said, there were 15 extras to start. But if that happens, I'll just double up and won't fill every one of these numbers. Believe me, I'm going to fill every one. But hopefully now for any numbers that I missed, I'm not sure why they're duplicating right now because I thought I took them all off. I didn't go back. Like I said, I didn't go in today to make sure that they were right. But it's all right. We'll see. 54. And 54 is not on here. I'm going to remove and spin again, see what happens. I'd rather not run out of envelopes. We'll see. 91 is on here. And 91, 50. Yep, cash is running down. 95. And there's an envelope. Just one, please. So envelope. Put 91 in. Just we'll put 95 in. 491. And there's two 90s left. So that's $200 we'll save. I don't have 200 over there, so we definitely don't have enough to finish today. And next time I go in, I will make sure that I update the numbers on the wheel. Not that it hurt anything too much, just to keep it all key. Let's see, what's next? What's next? What's next? 51. 51 is next. And you can just see it in the wheel when it's ready to stop. I'm not ready, I promise you. 51, put in an envelope. I took it off already. Standard envelope. 51 it is. Any big plans? A lot of people had a long weekend. Some people that worked in the government had like an extra off on Monday and Tuesday. What's your schedule like? And do you have anything planned? Haven't planned anything special at all for the 4th of July. I know I have to work during the daytime, at least stop by and check on my staff, make sure all are well. Besides that, I'm gonna chill. Put a couple more in here. Could stop now, but I'm gonna keep going. Let's get a couple more in at least. We're up to 15 minutes. A couple more minutes. Or not knock it out with these big numbers. 50, 70, 80, 90, and 86 is there. We wrap up before we know it. Standard envelope. There's 50 up front. 86. 86. It's getting tight. Getting tight. Remove. One more time. Let's see. We should have enough for one more good spin. Looks like these numbers are adding back in. And it looks like they're going up. Is 81 on here? 81 is on here. Do we have 81? I don't think we have $81. 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. I'm going to go into my extra, which I would have put in here later. I'm going to take a 50 out. 50, 60, 70, 80. Wow. Nice type of cash we just stuffed. 85, 50, 60, 70, 85. And we did take 85 out. It should be a regular one with that Sophia, I would say. Well, day, we only, I think we just had that one today. And that's 81. 81 comes off. And just like that, that's a wrap. And I'll check and see what it looks like. Very few left. We're getting there. Remember, put your number in the comments below how much you think at the end of this challenge we will have saved. The person that gets to the closest number, get a prize. All right. Have a good evening. Thanks for stopping by. Peace.